Welcome back to the channel. So if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram to stay updated. So this is our trend on GBPUSD. Our trend on GBPUSD is a downtrend. So with this market movement here, if this is our low, you can see that we are on a downtrend. This is our lower low. Here is our lower high. And now market is now about to form a new lower low. So this new lower low that it is about to form, you would expect a continuous drop till it eventually take out this previous low. So if you are in for this sell, you can still be holding a sell position till market drops and form a new low. If you are not in this position and you want to enter, it will be best you wait for your pullback to play out. Once your pullback plays out, then you can now open next sell GBPUSD. So above all, buyers on GBPUSD is still the movement to the downside.